Hello class 6th, I am Ashok, your English teacher, present here with a new video for you. I hope all of you are fit and fine at home and enjoying your online studies at home. Today we will discuss the poem Where Do All the Teachers Go, written by Peter Dickson. So let's start the discussion with the objectives of the poem. These are the objectives: to enable the students read and appreciate the poem, to enable the students participate in class discussion, to enable the students interview the teachers. So these are some of the objectives which I want you to cover up after reading the poem very well. Now let's see what is there in the introduction section. For a little child, a teacher is special. It's difficult for a small child to think of as a teacher as an ordinary person. So this is obvious. A teacher is very special for a child, and he or she is not an ordinary person for him. In the poem, the child wonders whether the teachers do all the activities which are done by a common being. Therefore, he resolves. Resolves means he decides to follow one of the teachers and find out what they exactly do in their homes. Now, we will discuss the poem line wise. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? So, child has certain questions in his mind about his teachers which he wants to know. The first thing he wants to know is that where do all the teachers go after school hours when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? This is another question which the child wants to know, that where his teachers live, whether they live in houses or somewhere else. He also wants to know if they also wash their socks like other people at home or not. Do they wear pajamas and do they watch TV? This is the question also which the poet or child wants to know. If his teachers also wear pajamas or trousers like others and watch TV at home, and do they pick their noses the same as you and me? So pick their noses means an activity to waste time poking and inserting finger in the nose to clear boogers, means dried mucus in the nose. So this is the question the poet or the child wants to know, whether his teachers also pick their noses like others and waste their time in this activity. Do they live with other people? Have they moms and dads? This is another question the poet or child wants to know. He is asking if his teachers are also live with other family members at home. He also thinks about whether they have their moms and dads in the home like all of us. And were they ever children and were they ever bad? This is another question which the poet or child wants to know. He wants to know if they also made mistakes. They means teachers also made mistakes or were ever punished for stealing something or doing something bad in home or school. Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? Now here the poets or the child wants to know whether the teachers spell right everything, means they write correctly or not, or did they ever make mistakes like all the students do? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? This is another question which the poet wants to know, whether the teacher had punished for pinching or stealing chocolate flakes from home. And in the next line, did they ever lose their hymn books? Did they ever leave their greens? Hymn books means religious books and greens means green vegetables. So this is another question in the child's mind. He wants to know whether the teachers had ever lost their hymn books somewhere, or did they ever leave their green vegetables in the plate while eating. This is another question in the child's mind. Did they scribble on the desktops? Did they wear old dirty jeans? So the child wants to know whether teacher also used to scribble on the desktops when they were students, and did they also wear old dirty jeans when they were students, or at home or somewhere else. And now the child resolves or decide that he will follow one teacher's back home today, means that day. I will find out what they do, and he wanted to know what they used to do at home. Then I will put it in a poem that they can read to you. The child wants to write everything in the form of poem, whatever he finds there in the teacher's home about him. Then he decides to write that in the form of a poem, and he wants the teachers to read that to all the students in the class. So this was the poem. Now these are tutorial questions. On the basis of the reading of the poem, fill the blanks with appropriate words. The child poet believes his teachers are special. He feels they are different to ordinary people. He wants to know whether they do all the chores of everyday life. Watch in a house. Live in a house and dress up in clothes like pajamas. He also wants to know whether his teachers watch TV and pick their noses. He is unable to believe that they live with their children or family members and they were ever children. He is also curious to know whether as a child they made mistakes and were punished in the corner if they pinched chocolate flakes. He cannot imagine that they would have been naughty and forgetful in their childhood. So he wants to follow one of his teachers one day and find out what exactly they do so that he could write a poem on them which could be read to the class by a teacher. So this is the summary of the poem if it will be completed. I had told you the words. You can see here also the solutions. Different codes: live, watch, family, children, mistakes, punished, pinched, find out, poem, read. So these words are to be filled there in the blanks. Now this is the assignment. Interview a teacher of your school asking the following questions and prepare a write up about the things they do. Now what things you have to inquire about the teacher. What is name of the teacher? Where is his house? Who are other members living in his house? What does he do after going from the school? What acts of mischief did he do when he was a child like you? What are the things he does not like? What is his favorite pastime? How does he spend his day? So these are the things which you have to inquire about the teachers in your write-up. That's all for today. Thank you.